The metal main case of the AMR relay is designed and made of aluminium 3105 by experts at Vebko company, and different modules of relay are placed in the integrated racks. To begin to assemble, the front panel of the main case is opened. Preparation of mid-plate. To prepare mid-plate, micro module is placed on it, and the front panel of mid-case, which has been opened before, is placed on mid-plate module, and its screws are tightened. After doing this, the front panel along with mid-plate is placed on mid-case module, and its screws are tightened. Preparation of supply board. Back panel of PS or power supply card is placed on PS card, and its screws are tightened. Then, the PS card is placed inside the main case, and the related screws are tightened. Preparation of CPU card or main card. MSD module along with related spacer is placed on the micro module, and its bolts are tightened from beneath. The micro module is placed on main card as the main CPU. Then, LAN Wi-Fi module is placed in the related place on main card, and is tightened from beneath using 2 screws and a spring washer. Also, the GPS RS485 module is placed on the 2 spacers at the top of LAN Wi-Fi module, and is tightened using 2 bolts and a spring washer, and then using a communication flap, GPS module is connected to main card. Next, back panel of the main card is placed on the card, and by using the related bolts is tightened to the GPS antenna of the back panel along with 4 spacers. Finally, the main card is placed inside the case, and its screws are tightened. Preparation of PTBO card. To prepare this card, AD gain module is placed in its related place on PTBO card, and is tightened from beneath using screws and a spring washer. Then, 4 PT modules are placed in their related place on PTBO card, and its screws and spring washers are tightened from beneath. At this stage, BO module is placed on 41mm spacers, and its bolts and spring washer are tightened. Then the communication flap between BO and PTBO is connected. After that, the back panel of PTBO card is connected to PTBO card using 4 screws, and then this card is placed in its designated place in the case, and then the screws are tightened. Preparation of CT-BI card. In preparation of this card, barrier connected is connected to the back panel of CT-BI card, and this back panel is connected to CT-BI card. At this stage, AD gain module is placed on CT-BI card and tightened using screws and a spring washer. Now 4 CT modules are placed on CT-BI card, and its screws and spring washer are tightened. Then 4 2.5 strand wires are passed through CTs and are soldered after swinging to the barrier connector. At this stage, BI module is placed on 43mm spacers, and its 3 screws and a spring washer and the screws of its back panel are tightened. Next is communication flat is connected to CTBI card. Finally, the CTBI card is placed in its integrated place in the case and its 4 screws are tightened. Preparation of front panel. The first step in preparing front panel is opening the back panel of LCD case. Then, LAN module is placed on front panel module and its screws and a spring washer are tightened. Next, MSD module along with the related spacer is placed on micro module and its bolts are tightened from beneath. In the end, the micro module is placed on front panel. After closing the back panel of LCD case, in the back of front panel, RS232 module is placed on front panel and its 3 screws and a spring washer are tightened. Finally, LCD is placed on LCD module and its related flat is connected, and an LCD module is placed on front panel module and its 4 screws and a spring washer are tightened. After preparing the front panel board, it is placed in the main case of LCD case and its screws are tightened to the back panel. At this final stage, the front panel of LCD case is opened and a label is stuck on it. Then the flat label is connected to the related pin header on LCD module and the plate is placed in its designated place and its screws are tightened. Note that there are 2 spacers placed on the front panel and the front panel is connected to the relay main case using 2 4x50 screws.